Today, cattle was higher. That snowstorm is really driving the futures. It seems like there's a mad scramble for beef, certainly on the East Coast. That's kind of clearing the table for restocking. So the deferred futures, you're going to see them much stronger, and they have been super strong and almost an overbought situation. So we have to watch that closely. But the rally and the trend is still to the upside, and it's still moving. It's very difficult to step in front of that slow-moving rally. But we're reaching the top of the real channel that we have been at for the last like 6 months. So we're not sure if we can breach that, but right now still looking very strong. The feeders have been firm, but they did make a new low earlier today and then bounce back and kind of like we're driving along with the live cattle. Interestingly enough, though, if you look even at the feeders chart, that it has been more to the downside. I think it's very difficult to have any optimism with the government shutdown, with no USDA data. It makes it really difficult. The uncertainty is creeping into the market, and right now it's it is bullish, but it can turn on a dime. And with this 3-day weekend, it's got everyone a little bit nervous. That's why you don't see it up as strongly as the live cattle market. But this lack of data is really fatiguing a lot of the traders. The big story today is the hogs. They surged today. The talk of tariff resolution really has the market really pushing higher. Now it's really this rally is moving, and even though that the winter storm is having some effects, there is some ham demand that's also driving it. So that fundamental news is also helping somewhat. But let's not forget that the African swine fever is up to 108 cases in 24 of the 34 provinces in China. That's going to be a real issue. And if this resolution goes through, you're going to see the door swing wide open in China, because their pork supplies have been decimated, and they are really starting to suffer. And at some point, they are going to start buying from the U.S., and that's really going to come to great relief for a lot of the pork producers here. So we're watching that closely.